How to use StandBy on iOS 18. Whether you're at home, work, or on the go, StandBy is here to make your iPhone smarter. Let's get started. Standby mode is a new addition to iOS 18 that optimizes your iPhone based on your usage patterns. It adjusts settings automatically to suit your current environment, like turning down ringtones at work or brightening the screen outdoors. Open Settings, scroll down to Standby, and tap it. Here you'll find options to customize how your iPhone reacts in different situations. Let me show you how to enable it and set your preferences. You can tailor standby mode to your life. Set it to silence notifications during your sleep hours, or choose to keep your most used apps running in the background during busy days. It's all about making your iPhone work smarter for you. Imagine you're in a meeting and your phone automatically switches to silent. Or you step outside on a sunny day and your screen brightness increases. Standby makes all this effortless. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.